Hey guys, today we're having the market open and it's been 22nd of April. The market is about to be open. I got a bit lately after the university, so let's get into that sheet and mark out all the highs and lows on that sensation low. Boom. Okay guys, I'll make it real quick and then we'll get to the trading plan. Pum, pum, pum. Boom. Okay, it's Asian manipulate on the manipulation. Probably New York reversal. Okay, my notion is lagging. Great. Fuck it. Fuck. It's 29 minutes, so yeah, I still have some time. Fortunately. I'll open FTMO app. That's got an 4 hour and pum 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 pum. So on the 4 hour we are we already took out almost took out but didn't took out Nasdaq all-time highs on the S&P. We're having this and this still to take out. We are currently in this 4 hour gap on the S&P, and on Nasdaq we don't have this gap, so it could be a bearish S&P, but on the all-time highs I wouldn't be really considering that, so in my opinion, of course. Okay, relatively equal lows on here, and I guess that'll be it. And on the Nasdaq we have flows right here and we have flows right here. Yeah, guess this is it. We are still in the uptrend on Nasdaq and on S&P. We are technically in a bearish trend, so I'm more on a neutral bias, I guess, on today. So I'm just gonna look what the market is gonna perform, and my behavior will completely depend on it. Okay. We have this 1 hour high right here and right here on both pairs. And now we already took it on Nasdaq, so we already formed some kind of an S&P, but we shall see what's gonna happen. We shall see. I can assume a bearish bias due to bearish S&P being formed, but again, it's all-time high, so it could easily go to the moon on S&P right now. So I won't be. I will be just looking at the chart and trying to adapt to the market. 15 minutes here. 15 minutes here. Relatively equal. Here. Yeah, so we're in this gap on the S&P. What about news? News. We don't have any news, which is a good sign for me at the moment. It's 32 minutes, so market's been open for 2 minutes now. We're making an equilibrium. Fuck, what the hell is that? We're having equilibrium here to go bearish, and on the S&P we're making same thing, but we did disrespect this 50-minute gap on the S&P and on Nasdaq, so I'm still more likely to be bullish, and we are having this retracement to the equilibrium right now on the Nasdaq and on S&P. Let's get on the 5-minute. Yeah, we are definitely gonna retrace in here, and okay, Nasdaq we are making we are taking out those lows, so making a bullish SMT, and maybe I wouldn't want to enter on that. Not right now, definitely, but if S&P would want to go higher and go higher significantly, maybe I will consider that. Let me first find the target for the day on my FTMO application. It's been here. It's been here. Nasdaq has been here, right? Same spot. Yeah, a bit higher, but to look for it will take an eternity, so I'll just make it higher a bit like this. Yeah. Sorry for you not watching. Now we did not witnessing what I'm marking on my application. Unfortunately, I can't stream all of that shit at the same time, but doesn't matter because I'll show all of it on the trading view as well. So for now, we are pushing the downside on Nasdaq, and since it was some kind of a retracement to that equilibrium here on the on both layers, actually I could consider that as just retracement, and I could have entered here, but it's too early in the market. It's the first moment, and the second moment is that we did inverse this 15-minute gap on the Nasdaq and on S&P as well, so the order flow is bullish already. So I wouldn't consider that as a retracement to an equilibrium. In my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, but we shall see what's gonna happen. And yeah, we're pushing down, but it could be just a retracement. So yeah, on the 5 minutes Nasdaq, we are pushing this downside and taking out this liquidity and making a bullish SMT, but we didn't take this out. Let me check. But I thought we did. Oh yeah, we did. So yeah, it is a bullish SMT. And S&Ps, yeah, I will definitely would want to enter off of that shit. Hey guys, did you hear that sound? That was the sound of my microphone died out, literally. So the further I'll just cut out all the market action in a few like 10-15 minutes instead of 52 and record the voice over it. So I'm sorry for the inconvenience, and enjoy. So guys, I'm gonna enter, I guess, nearest time soon. Depends on what his market is gonna perform. Yeah, I'm entering right here until those lows, to those highs, and let's see what market is gonna show us. And I'm that as seriously sure that the market is gonna hit the highs I marked out, and it should be. I'd be even possibly able to call it an A plus setup. Though there were some manipulations on the market, so it's hard to assume, but yeah, I'm pretty sure of that setup I just took. So I know we never sure. So let's see. Uh huh. Sitting, waiting. Now it's going to the direction I wanted, so for now everything is going just how I planned. Let's check this out. The situation on the 1 hour, and yeah, we're pretty much close enough for them. The only thing left is to wait till the setup hits our TP, cause now let's go. Yeah, let's go, I guess, on the 1 minute where check this shit out. But wait, first I gotta adjust my position on FTMO. Yeah, so looking at the charts, going to 1 minute. Oh, we're starting a bit of a reversal, but as long as they stay inside the gap, it'll be fine. But let's first document the trade. I'll add the straight from Nasdaq, but today's date, which is 22nd of April, made by Nasdaq, made on Nasdaq. Bullish. And we enter because of liquidity, the A ICT upside, and the break of structure. Yes. No, the inverse for value gap. Oh, holy fuck! Yo, what the hell happened? I'll be stopped out in the. Wow, what happened? Did Trump just bomb Iran or what happened? Bruh, the fuck? How? How was that even possible? Oh, no way. It was an A plus set. What's gonna happen? Ah, no way. I'll document this shit first and bros, there is no way it's possible. But I bet that she'll go up as soon as like it takes out the newest low to the downside, and I'm fucking betting that she'll go higher and probably even take a trade of it because I've lost $140 and then I'm not planning to like leave the setup if it's actually reverses and I was on liquidity for first market, it would be a disaster. No way. No way. No way, guys. Start to reverse, but maybe I'm just mistaken and it is just the freaking yeah, maybe just the freaking uh retracement or something because I can be sure. I can never be sure of that. And and of course guys, it's been a fucking how many? 4 minutes or 3 minutes after I fucking got stopped out, this shit is pushing back. And now it's gonna fucking V-shape hit my TP, and that's it. Great. Holy shit. And Hey guys, I think I'm gonna answer. Well, here in that, no, Nasdaq is leading index to the upside, but I don't think I'll enter Nasdaq because S&P is too close to the high, I want to take. So I'll just take a trade on Nasdaq because yeah, it will be a better S&P, but it's all-time high, so I don't think it's possible. So in here, I'm mostly sure that the Nasdaq will just also hit the TP I initially sent, and I was just in liquidity, but at least I'll win a bit money and get rid of the loss, at least partially. Let's see how it plays out. Bruh, no, the risk weight is like is that as oh no way we are pushing now. We're pushing now to the downside. Holy fuck. Yeah. So no way we're pushing now to the downside, but hopefully this shit will play out as I wanted initially. Let's see. Okay, now it's pushing up again. Oh wait, it's going down. To the drawdown again. Holy shit. Holy fuck, no way, bro. No, if I lose that shit, it'll be a disaster. I'll lose like at least half of my console. Holy fuck, bro. No way. No way, bro. No, if I hit the stop loss, like I won't stand it, bro. I'll just I'll quit trading after that because the setup was so like look at those three relatively equal highs at the upside, and those are no way I'll be stopped down that. There's absolutely no way, guys. Let's see how this plays out. So yeah, we're starting to reverse and hopefully even reverse the gap. Yes, reverse that, and now now the only thing I'll be looking for is of course.
Пивко, пивчанский, пивасик. Тебе
Yeah, so now I'm all waiting for is just so if it, yeah, if we hit the TP, we are up $80 on that shit. So I know what the hell was that first candle is about, and I almost like got stopped out on the second trade. So it was kind of volatile shit due to who knows what. And anyways, I lost 50. Спасибо за пиво. I only lost $55 on that shit. And, that's not too much because previously it was 140. So now, yeah, it's definitely better than it was. So and still, I feel fine about that. But anyways, it is what it is. We got a loss for a day, and thank you guys for watching that show fully, and sorry for the inconvenience with micro, because I know that it's really inconvenient to watch it like that, but that's only for this and tomorrow's video, for today's video, because my micro just got dead while recording, and it's only like I only noticed it when when editing my audio. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow.